Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to use all carousel to slider all carousel to OWL, all carousel all carousel to slider. So what's for all carousel to go to docs. Here you can see the documentation of this file, and then demos. You see here which one we want to use. Basic, this one is for basic slider, and here are the other ones also. And to use this we have a little bit jQuery. We have to call this carousel file, and then we have HTML here. How to use this one, all carousel, and then docs. And then first of all what we have to do is that download the file, and then go to the folder, just cut it out and paste it to our documents. Like we have this one, and what I am going to do is that I'm going to here are our project file, web first, then paste it out, extract here, now we have the whole carousel files inside the disk. Here you see two JavaScript files. Copy it out and then go to our project folder. Here we have JS, inside JS, just paste it out. If you haven't seen my previous video, just go and check it out. The banner, I have already shown you how to make banner with Bootstrap 4 template. And then here we are going to use all carousel, and here we have the file we have already done with JavaScript files to copy, and then just go to CSS files. And what you have to do is just copy all carousel or carousel mean .css files, then all carousel default theme default this 4 files, copy it and paste it to our project file like CSS. Here is CSS, here are all the CSS files, Bootstrap files, font awesome files, all carousel files, and this custom style file. So here we have finished copying out these files. Then Then go to Sublime Text. We have already our project file here. Sorry. Here we have the CSS file and HTML file. Here we have our HTML file, and we have already used finished banner part. Our banner part looks like this, but here is not any slide, there is only one banner here. So what we are going to do is make this banner slide. When you slide it out, we can use multiple banners in form of slider. So what we have to do is that to banner and okay, then go to our documentation, how to use it. Here is shown, here is docs file, and here are demos also. Here we are using this basic format of slider. Here are 1 2 3 4 5 slides here, but we are going to use only one here. So just check it out, our HTML file. Here we have to use all carousel theme, these two classes, and then the item that slides. Okay, for now let's go to HTML and start writing the code. Div class equal to all, sorry, id. We have to provide id first, because its id works only for the banner part. If we have to use this all carousel in other slider, then we can use the another one id, and class remains the same. So div id equal to all carousel, I say slider, then class equal to all carousel and all theme. This class must not be changed, because when we change these classes, then it may not work. So all carousel, all theme, then just close it out. Then what we have to do is div class equal to item. The item, this part is the item that slides. And comment it out, all carousel slider. Then we have the item here, item. Then inside the item, everything we use or put anything here, then it slides. So here we are going to slide this part, you see, banner part, banner part. So just copy this out, paste, go to edit, line, and re-indent to look indentation clear, and then this part, this one item, it should slide. So save it and then go to our browser. How it looks, it's not changed anything. Yeah, there are two sliders already here. Already we got the sliders, but it's not working now. You see, it's not working. So what we have to do is that we have to link those JS all carousel JS files to this HTML file. So it's equal to CSS, then all, just look at here in our CSS file, all.carousel.min.css, all.carousel.min.css, all.carousel. Here we are using minified part only. Then here you see script src equal to js all dot carousel.min.js. Here we have already copied the files, we are just linking it out, all.carousel.min.js. then after that we should have a custom JS file to call these files, this carousel or something we use the plugin. We should have the color.js, so we call it here script src equal to js custom.js. okay, here everything is good. We have the custom JS files. I think here is not custom JS file. We can new file, then control S, then custom custom.js file, custom.js file we have here. Then use this carousel, we have to call this part, so just copy it out. Then what we are going to do is all carousel slider. Here should be, here we have the ID has all carousel slid slider. All is fine. Then we have only one slider to show in any device size, so using this. And nav to navigation false, nav to, you can say dots also true, and items we have to here 3 or something, and loop true. Okay, we have called our all carousel slider. Then why we are using this is that all carousel, sorry, it should be carousel slider. Here we have this item, So here we have the ID all carousel slider. This one we are going to call in our custom.js file, you understand. Then just check our file. Then here we can see there is no any errors here. It's working totally fine, but the slider is not working. You see, slider not all carousel, all theme, all carousel slider. Div id equal to class equal to item. Inside the item we have banner, antenna, this one, here you see this one we don't need. Control X, Control N, Control B, and let's see, we don't have the slider part here, so let's check it out why it's not working. All carousel slider, class equal to all theme, item, banner, background, banner, height 500 pixel. It's not working now. Go to inspect, go to console, and custom the unexpected identifier all carousel banner. Here seems the problem is here, so what we're gonna do is that just go here. Sorry, we forgot our this document dot ready function, then paste it out. Okay, now just check our file, still not working. Okay, this is 9 unexpected syntax here. Oh, 9 responsive. Okay, then I think here we have the closing and another one closing also we need, I think. Then here, okay, then copy it out. Now we have find jQuery, this one 1 comma, we forgot to insert 1 comma, so there was error. Now I think it will be fine. Okay, now just go and check. Okay, now you have a fine slider, all carousel to slider. And in the next videos, here margin is 10, we can make it 0. So here you see the gap, and we first it was 10, now we are making it 0, and it works totally fine. Now here is no any uh, margin, so there is no gap between the sliders. So thank you guys for this video, and if you have any problem then you can comment, go to our comment section and you can comment it out, and check for my next video to look how there are issues in issues I will be solving for you of all carousel 2. If you have any issues also, you can solve from there. There are many issues while we are implementing all carousel 2 in our project. So if you are the beginner, this will be the best video for you. And in the next video also I am coming with many solutions for this all carousel, and I will show you how to use that arrows, everything, twists, arrows or everything, and here is no arrows appearing, no any dots here. And in the next videos I will show you the rest part of the all carousel 2. And then don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new updates. So thank you.